Good afternoon, everybody. This is immigration attorney Irene Weisman. Today is, what is today? Today is Wednesday, the 13th of August, 2025. Early in the morning, the Department of State issued their 2024 human rights reports. They're about 6 months late with the reports. So I had the opportunity to glance at a few countries that I work with on regular basis. What can I say? My overall impression. The reports were downsized in size by more than half. For example, the Russian reports for the last few years were at about 107 pages. This report is at 41 page, okay? And this goes for many countries. Certain sections were completely taken out of the report. So anything that has to do with, with this section on LGBTQ, that's gone pretty much in all the countries. Just some slight reference in certain reports. The section on the conditions of jails, the section on what happens in the judicial system of that country, the section of elections process in many countries, no longer there. It's not good. The Department of State Human Rights Report is something that we rely on heavily, and it's also something that the judges and immigration, whether it's the asylum officer or assistant chief counsel during your immigration hearing, they rely on that too. So I assume that now we're going to get, well, it's not in the human rights report. It's not in the Department of State human rights reports. I presume that's going to be the argument. So, we know that it's there. We'll have to get that information from other sources now. It will be more difficult to obtain certain information, but we will have to rely on other sources when we are creating and providing country conditions. Unfortunate, but it is what it is, that's fact. So just wanted to do, a few minutes thing, just give a very brief heads up. The reports are out, downsized, lacking a lot of very important information, and the full report, when we do them, will have to now come from somewhere else, and I anticipate a challenge and a pushback from DHS when we are now arguing country conditions. Okay, so that's a quick thing, and I'll see everybody soon.